and welcome to day 7 of the 13 days of Halloween series. Thanks for coming back again today. We greatly appreciate it. And what I have created today are 3 cards. They are all from Dreaming Tree, and I will link them in the description box below. I've just used various papers that I've had in my stash. And the first one is the Happy Halloween card. And of course it has the bottom of the witch's dress and her stockings and her high-heeled shoe with her broom. I did add some black crystal gemstones there. I used some green foil paper, and then I did use my Cricut to write the Happy Halloween. And it just opens like so. So I need to put my sentiment. I'm mailing that one to a friend. And this one will be the one I use for my grandson. It is the Boo Gatefold card. And I did use some silver glitter paper, as you can see, just because he likes shiny things. And this purple foil paper, some gold foil for the handles. And you open it up and it says Boo, and it has the little scene. Use the orange for the moon, white glitter paper for the ghost, and yellow glitter for the Boo. And this card's sentiment is on the back, so I will be adding it. And for my granddaughter, I did the Hey Pumpkin card. I just thought that was so cute. And it has this adorable little pumpkin with the fence behind it and the little spider. I used foil papers for the grass, the orange glitter, and this purple for the leaves at the top and the hat, and carried the green foil for the bands on the hat. Just thought it was super fun. Just thought it was so fun and cute. And I will be adding my sentiment, and it's just a regular open card. So these are what I have created for today. Hope that you have enjoyed them. Make sure to leave a comment and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and have a spectacular day. I have the 3 cards here, and they are just paper piecing, very simple to put together. And I went ahead and cut out my pieces and inked all of my edges. So we will get started. And the first thing I want to do is, here's all my pieces out, and I want to glue the Hey Pumpkin into my card base. Okay, and I'm just going to center this up. We got the inside put in. Now we can glue the black piece, and we're just going to line it up over along the edge. And I'm going to just cover that, so if glue oozes out as I rub it down, it will get on the, let's score that again, it's really flat. Okay, and now we need our yellow piece for our fence. And I did use a shimmer paper for this. And I used green foil, 2 different green foil papers. I'm just going to dry fit it. It lines up like that. Here, and see how this goes on. And it has just a little bit of a shadow. Our vines at the top. Of course, I had to have some glitter. And this goes along the top, just like that. Okay. And now we will glue the pumpkin on. I always just like laying it there to make sure I've got it the right way before I put the glue on. Okay, I actually forgot to put pop dots on this. So now I'm going to glue the black piece on. Now we will do the orange. We'll glue on the hat. Love the layers on the pumpkin, so cute. And that goes right there. Let's see here, get it. There we go. Right position. Okay, and that's the Hey Pumpkin card, which I think is absolutely adorable. Okay, and the next one that I have is the Happy Halloween with the witch on the front, and I just put all my pieces in a baggie so I wouldn't lose them. First thing is I'm going to lay my pieces to the side, and I'm going to go ahead and glue the insert in, and I've already inked the edges on everything. So first piece we're going to glue down will be the black part. And just want to really crease that really well. And just going to line it up along this edge and the bottom. The next part, let's go ahead and do the broom. Let's put our yellow piece, make sure that's down the right position. The orange part of what I chose for my contrasting of the broom. We will do her stocking next. And this piece here goes on her cuff of her boot. Making sure everything lines up. And then we have her little buckle. Tweezers for it, it's so little. Now we will add the skirt, or the dress, lower portion of the dress. Then this piece will go here. Use this green for the little patch on her dress. I cut out a couple different collars and to decide what I liked, so I have some extra heel pieces. Okay, and then I'm going to add some embellishments, you know, here, and so here is the Happy Halloween witch card. So we have the pieces for our Boo Gatefold card. So we'll lay these all out to the side, and I want to make sure this is creased really well. The first thing we're going to want to do is glue down our gate pieces that go along here, and I chose to do this in silver because this is for the grandkids and they like glitter. Okay, and now we will put on the purple pieces, and they go on our gates like this. So we'll make sure it's even. Yeah. Yep, looks good. So these are going to go along this little curved part here. So it's your handles. We'll do the other side. We will add the purple pieces. So now we will glue the base of the inside of the card in between. Just close those, make sure it's centered. And now we will do this, and we can glue our scene at the bottom. Now we'll just line this up along the bottom. So now we are going to get it turned around the right way, and this will go in, line up like so. There are some little score marks along here and here, so we can line up this part of the card to make sure we get it where designers planned on it being. So I'm just going to see how it fits in there, and it fits very nice. So now I know the lines are covered up when I lay it down. put our Boo in here. And then I have my orange moon that goes there. Now we just need to line our ghost up like so, right here, and I am going to put some little hot dots on him. That is our Boo Gatefold card.